everyone. My name is Ramesh. My hometown is Dhongir district. It's from Karnataka state only, and I completed my BE graduation from Evision University at the BIT Engineering College, Dhongir only. And after completion of my BE graduation, I came to Bengaluru and I have attended so many interviews for network profile, but I didn't get any job on network profile. And one of my friends suggested me about Evision Technology Private Limited at Bengaluru, and I joined Evision, and within 2 months only I got placed in one of the top MNC companies, that is Tech Mahindra. And yeah, for a fresher I am suggesting you, please do join to Evision. It is the right partner to launch your career, and where you can utilize your knowledge and skills, and you can also develop your skills, communication skills, and IT skills and IT skills and all. And this is about Evision. Thank you.